Brent is an American astronaut. Today, he will travel into outer space. At noon, his space shuttle is going to launch into space. Brent and the other astronauts are going to travel to the International Space Station. They will stay in space for almost 6 months. The crew is going to continue research at the space station. They will do some experiments. They will record their data. They are also going to make some repairs on the space station. Brent will learn a lot in space. He is going to make videos of his time on the space station. His family will watch the videos on the internet. They will see what Brent is doing in space.